Hi everyone, welcome to my first video in where I share my digital drawing process over the past 2 years. My first illustrations were very simple and I actually did not know what I should do. I have been drawing for a year traditionally, however I had no experience drawing digitally, so I kind of tried stuff out. I remember using a watercolor brush and the default pencil. My first illustration was for Father's Day, and you can see that the lines are very wiggly and uneven. For these illustrations I followed these tutorials on Clip Studio Paint website, which got me started into digital. During the first 2 months of my digital drawing journey, I mostly drew my cat and I played a bit with drawing faces and characters. I still had to learn a lot into my old files. I found some dots that were called help because I probably struggled with them so much. I also made some little illustrations. These were after 4 months. And those were mostly for Instagram, portraits of girls, and I joined one of my first Draw This in Your styles, which was around half a year in Senda's art, and I'm still actually very proud of this one. One of the last illustrations of 2020 was this beautiful portrait, and I actually forgot that I made this one. Yeah, it's something. In 2021, I continued my journey. I took some drawing courses such as Drawabox, which I mainly did traditionally, but I also did some sketches digitally. Because of Drawabox, I drew a lot of animals. I also did my first February, where I drew every day for 28 days. I also mainly did this course traditionally, but here are some sketches which I did digitally. Approximately 1 year in, it was May again, and this was my first mermaid. So I made these mermaid illustrations with a gender band Ariel, which I still really like. I also tried some character design and made some more animals. My progress was not linear. I had some ups and downs, and this is very normal when you're learning to draw. Sometimes my drawings really suck, sometimes my drawings were really bad, but that is just part of the game. Marco Bucci had some videos on his YouTube channel about painting, and his course, his online YouTube course on painting was one of the main reasons why I improved so much. I also took a paid course of him about color and helped me with color theory, something that I still really struggle with. And so we enter the end of 2021 and I made some progress in my art. In 2022 I bought a new drawing tablet. It is a Huion canvas. I made some concept art and did some landscape pieces, and I really tried to practice with colors. This year I actually spent a lot of time following courses and studying, and I wanted to take my portraits to the next level, so I practiced a lot with portraits, and I'm still not where I want to be, but I really like where I've come in those past 2 years. I don't know the direction in which I'm heading. One of my biggest problems, I think, is that I do too much stuff all at once. So I do concept art, and then I do portraits, and then I do figure drawing, and makes me really distracted, but it also makes me enjoy the process because there's a lot of variation, but I think it slows down my progress a lot, and that also explains why you see so many different things. So yeah, so this was my progress over the last 2 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Bye!